Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your region in TapTap Send. So let's dive into it. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So first thing to do, which is your first step, is to launch the app on your phone and sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to go to your profile. So tap the profile icon in the top right corner, and you have to look for country, region, or send from settings. Then after that, you have to select the country you want to change to and confirm the changes. So tap the save or change. Then you have to close and reopen the TapTap Send to apply to the new region. And if the app doesn't allow you to change it already directly, you will need to contact the TapTap Send support through the help section to update your region. And that's how you can easily change your region in TapTap Send. If you find the video helpful, leave it a thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos.